Welcome back to part 2 of 7 in our series on 7 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency with minimal effort. Last time we talked about crypto faucets. Today we're going to look at how you can earn crypto by playing mobile games. Have you ever thought you could make money just by playing games on your phone? Well, now you can. There are simple games called tap games that let you earn cryptocurrency just by playing. In 2024, one of the most popular games like this is named Notcoin. People who started playing Notcoin early made good money when the game's token got listed on crypto exchanges. In these games, you do simple things like tapping on the screen or doing activities in the game. For doing these, you get game tokens. The cool part is that you can exchange these tokens for real cryptocurrency, so your game time turns into real money. But it's not just tap games that can make you money. There are also games based on blockchain technology like Axie Infinity and the Sandbox. These games have their own little economies where the things you do and the stuff you collect in the game can be worth real money. For example, in Axie Infinity, you can earn tokens by engaging in battles with cute creatures called Axies or by breeding new Axies. In the Sandbox, you can make money by creating and selling unique items for the game world. Playing these games is a fun way to earn some extra crypto. You're not just killing time, you're actually making money while you play. It's perfect if you already spend time playing games on your phone and want to earn something for it. Remember though that while these games can be profitable, they mustn't replace your main income. Think of them as a fun way to earn a little extra on the side. What do you think about earning crypto through games? Have you tried any of these games before? Share your thoughts in the comments. In our next video, we'll talk about 2 more ways to earn crypto: farming and staking. Make sure you're subscribed and have hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.